I'm disgusted by you. I'm disgusted by your presence. I'm disgusted by the information you're trying to raise right now, leaving other factors constant. In each and every injustice that is happening in Uganda, insults are the main focus for you. They are the only things that you've noticed for a minute now. You're influential enough. Use your voice to advocate for justice and equality. It's crucial for you to use your platforms to speak up, demand accountability from the government, for those people who are killed, for people who get arrested, for political leaders that are imprisoned. And all your focus is on insults, mere insults that don't even get one sick. Let's talk about the presidential advisors now, the advisors of the current president. Gomuita presidenti wamwe actually, not mine. Beba singa okuvuma, baina ne TV ez'amaanyi ze batuulako, ne bavume eggwanga ddamba. When will you ever come and condemn? When will you ever come and condemn the government that is killing people day in, day out, that is abducting people, that is abducting political leaders? Do you mean to say that you weren't in Uganda when those things were happening? And they still are. They're still happening. Can you explain why Ugandans at night, they are supposed to move around like thieves, worried about their life because of less protection? And explain as to why one person, a political leader like Bobi Wine, waba akomawo okuva ku kisaawe ne bamuleetera battalioni z'abajaasi ab'ekika kyonna. Can you explain that? Can you explain the injustice that was done to him the day of his coming back in Uganda? Can you come and talk about that? These people are influential enough. Your voices impact a lot. But the only time you come out to talk about something is coming and condemning, complaining about people who insult political leaders. Just so you know, the other one is called noob. What information are they passing out? They are easily heard than you are. Because what are you talking about? Waliwo omwana gwe baakuba amasasi ne gamwasooluba ne bamukuba mu kifuba yenna mutungetunge tubadde tusondera musondere ssente. When will you ever talk about that? What is more worse? Insults or death? So you mean to say if people are dying, let them die. It doesn't mean anything, but you're so offended when people or when other people get insulted. Do you prefer to die than being insulted? These people are oppressed. They have a lot of pain. And you're here talking about brabbling with a lot of audacity and confidence. Trying to tell people, simanya political leaders, who told you that even akalulu koka counting? Who told you? Oiza nokuboli awo ngoyo president wa mwaliko tewamulonda. But you're here brabbling. Omwana wake era kumacha ne bamutta bwesebo. Ojakosa audacity yemu okujja. Confidence yemu jozze n'ojja n'otuwogganira waneeno. Will you use the same confidence? Nga bamusse nga government eriko yemusse. Will you come and say lwaki muvuma abantu? Yabadde avuma abantu kyebava bamusse. We don't even have freedom of speech. People like you abatalina important in this struggle who help atekatigbe ngovude ne kubya politics. Let's talk about your age and what you're still doing in this industry. Let's focus on that specifically. Your people who abuse power, they gave you power to talk to people kubawereza amawulire ku myaka gyo wandibadde wawummula dda. But because of the injustice in this government, ku myaka gy'owulira tonnatuusa kubanga owummula nti abaana bangi basoma saawa zino omwana we tasobola kugamba mami I want to be the president of Uganda ojja mutunuulira omusekerera ogambe owaayi tomanyi nti tulina dictator n'omwana tasobola kukeera ku makya n'agamba mami I want to be a news journalist or I want to be a journalist or a news anchor because you're seated in a place where she's supposed to be immediately after jeje emirimu gye twali twagala naye tunaagikola ddi nga abantu nga mmwe mulemeddwa okuba nga mulitayaringa. Why have you failed to retire? You're abusing your duties. Wandibadde kati wawummula dda ggwe mwami ggwe nga you're a mentor to many people like we are coming to you otubuulire what we should do and shouldn't do in this industry. But otuuzizza omutwe oli mugundi yennyini kwegyo emyaka gy'olina wummula. Why wouldn't you support the current government? Because the other one is he's as very much of a dictator as you are, or as he is. Like the both of you, temuina difference. He's a dictator and you're also a dictator in your own way. Muuliranga muina, you have a lot of entitlement. Orokuba mwasome ebitabo muuliranga, you deserve the positions you're in right now. How about the people who are studying for the same position? What are they going to do mba mulemedde mwebye ebifo singa wawummula dda kati supporting echi? Can you imagine ku myaka gyo ne ku bwongo bwe mbadde nsuubira bw'oyina? Come out and advocate for those who are being killed, for injustice that is happening to many Ugandans that are victimized, that are imprisoned. But here you are, the only time you come out to speak about something political, you're talking about people who insult. Wano waliwo amawulire bw'obadde mu mawulire kitegeeza obiraba. Omukazi gwe baakuba omukadde kibooko abannamagye nga talina kyakoze. She was running for her life. Ne bamukuba kibooko. Why don't you talk about that? Because you also noticed that happening. Bano abasajja we bati mubanvumire because I'm not that type. But singa wabaayo omwana asobola omuvuma bambi muvume. Tosiriwalirako.